Welcome everyone to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. As always, we're going to begin with showing you around the exterior of the car. I'm also going to point out some major talking points and features of this 2019 19 plate 420 IM Sport Gran Coupe that's presented in the mineral grey. And alongside that, of course, we've also fitted a full YNC Mperformance body styling kit to the car, and included in that, you'll also see there that we've added the 20-inch 666 competition style alloy wheels that are all brand new with brand new tyres. Being that it's a 2019, it does of course also include that stunning facelift, so there you can see the facelift LED headlamps. Moving on down the side of the car, we've also got the BMW gloss black air breathers, our satin side vinyls, matching sidebars, and of course the YNC Mperformance decals. This is a very low mileage car. It's only just covered just over 4,000 miles, so there you'll be able to see that the exterior and interior in just 1 second is all in fantastic condition. Does also include the sun protection glazing package on the rear windows, and I'll just quickly show you off this very nice interior, which again works ever so well with the exterior colour. Being that it is the black Dakota leather, also comes with the heated and electric lumbar options, and again you'll see there that everything is in fantastic order. Does have the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox in this car, and of course shortly when I take a seat in the other side, I'll run yourselves through a couple of the interior features in a bit more detail. Isofix 3-seat rear bench, centre folding armrest, and again rear bench is all very clean and tidy. We do also get that fantastic darkened M Sport headlining of course, and we'll show you again these stunning alloys before we head towards the rear of the car, where again a very nice feature for the facelift was the striking LED rear lights, along with our gloss black rear boot spoiler and the very OEM style ferric grey diffuser. You can see there we've made some very nice additions to that style of diffuser. Automatic opening and closing tailgate that you get on the Gran Coupe, along with a humongous boot space that you can make even larger by the fact that you can take out both the top and bottom partial shelves, and it has of course split folding seats should you require any more room. On the other side of the car, you'll be able to see just how well the mineral grey does work with all of the additions we've made here at Your Next Car, alongside being an exceptionally clean and tidy vehicle, and of course just how well it does sit on the 20-inch 666 competition style alloys. And shortly I'm going to head on inside the car to of course run you through some of the specifications and features of the vehicle. So now we're sat very comfortably inside. First of all, we're greeted by the Professional Plus navigation and media screen that you do find on the 2019 onwards cars. By Professional Plus, we do of course mean it is all touchscreen, so we can touch into all of the screens. However, if you're not a fan of touchscreen items, don't fear, because down here we do of course still have the iDrive wheel to control everything via that. And again, you'll see there that the engine oil is not due for 14,000 miles, and of course being that this vehicle has covered, as I mentioned, just over 4,000 miles, that will of course be its first service. However, up in service history, the car has had a pre-delivery inspection service at BMW. Whilst not essential, always of course a nice peace of mind. And we'll click back out of that and just view a couple of the other important features and functions. In connected drive, you'll see there we've got the online search, news and weather apps, alongside the Amazon Alexa function, which is of course always a fantastic bit of kit. I'm sure a lot of you out there will be familiar with what the Alexa features and functions can do. Normally, this is of course means you can enjoy the convenience within your vehicle of the Alexa function, meaning that once it's paired with a device, you can simply click your voice command button on your multifunction M Sport steering wheel, and then of course enjoy, like I said, all the convenience of a normal Alexa device but on the move in your vehicle. Back over to the car itself, of course we've got Bluetooth, telephone and audio, along with a wide array of multimedia inputs as well, including music collection, DAB and USB inputs. Down here we find the dual climate controls, along with our switches for these lovely heated seats. And of course I did mention it has that superb 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, alongside cruise control, speed limiter, and of course we've already taken a quick glance at the voice and volume controls on the other side of the steering wheel. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this walk around video. I do hope you've enjoyed it and of course been able to find it useful. If you take a look down in the description, you'll find links to our website where of course you can view the car in a bit more detail should you require to, and of course direct contact details for ourselves here at Your Next Car. And once again, thank you very much for taking the time to watch the video. We hopefully see yourself soon. Thank you, take care, goodbye.